Hello guys, Flash here. Today we're going to discuss about a cryptocurrency, a token on your Binance Smart Chain on a meme based PUMPEET.
Yes,
Container, it's happening.
he sold PUMPEET.
Hopping onto the website over here, Pump. He sold PUMPEET. It is the token based on a meme. I'm going to show you guys the meme in 1 second. I am pretty sure you guys know about this one. So tired of losing money? Well, you've come to the right place. PUMPEET. We can see that it is a very new token. It is only 1 day old. It isn't even 1 day old. It's like a couple of hours. So we can see that it had a massive pump right here. There are only 213 addresses at the moment. And getting onto the features, so it is a redistribution. So 5% of every transaction will automatically be rewarded to PUMPEET holders, and 5% of every transaction will automatically go back into the liquidity pool. 50% of the supply will be burned. The burn wallet will keep collecting the redistributed tokens, continuing to burn them. And security, it has a ownership renounced, verified contracts, local liquidity, locked dev wallet, and community driven. You can check everything over here. So scrolling a bit down on your roadmap, first website launch, BSC scan listing, coin hunt listing, coin listing on CoinGecko, and tech rate by audit. Initial marketing, so first 1000 holders taking liquidity to reward BSC skin customization, recruit artists, and create NFT collections. More marketing exposure, 5000 holders, Ethereum BSC cross chain, exchange swap aggregator, mid cap exchange listing like KuCoin, lottery giveaways, and more. 10,000 holders large cap exchange listing, Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, launch NFT on marketplace, increase partnership, advanced marketing strategies, and at 25,000 holders the roadmap will be updated. Diving into the tokenomics, so 1,000 billion minted, 40% locked liquidity pool, 40% initial burn, 10% manual burn over 5 months, 5% marketing wallet, 5% development wallet. You can buy PUMPEET on Pancake swap with 12%. Make sure you choose BNB swap to pump. Put in whatever amount you want to swap. Click on swap. MetaMask will give you a notification as I'm doing right here. So just click on swap. Confirm the swap. MetaMask will give you a notification and just click on confirm. As I also highly suggest guys going and joining the Telegram group with 1,400 members, as well as following them on Twitter with 242 followers, where they'll post updates and everything that will go on with the token. That being it for this video guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to notifications, and pump this coin.